how to reset your Mac Mini, especially this M4 one that I have over here, before selling it off. So before selling your Mac, you want to make sure that you have signed out all of your accounts off of the Mac. So for that, what can you do? For instance, I have Apple Music over here and I want to make sure I've signed out of it. So I have an account section over here. I can click on that and sign out over here. So for all the applications that allow you to sign out individually, you can do that with such apps, but some applications like Mail won't necessarily have it so easy. It won't be very difficult, but it will involve a few more steps. So for Mail especially, here you can see I have all my mail. For it, I have to click on Mail, go to accounts over here. So here you can see I have an iCloud account as well as a Google account. So I can click on Google. I can take away access one by one from each of it, or I can just click on delete account. And here you can see, are you sure you want to delete this account? I can click on OK, and that is that. So it has effectively taken away my Google account from me on my Apple device. Then you also want to go to Find My and make sure that you have logged out of here as well. For that, click on File. But you can't really do anything about it, right? You can either erase this device. This is the particular Mac Mini. I can just click on erase this device, in which case it will be considered lost, I'm guessing. And also you can locate yourself. But you also have another options, which is go to System Settings, go to your Apple account over here, and then you can scroll down, and here you can see all the devices that you have, and here you have an option to sign out. If I click on iCloud over here, you can also see all the iCloud data that is being backed up. So you can make sure that you are signing out of all of those. You can click on sign out. So here you can see I have contact and passwords and keychain. I can say keep a copy, or I can just unselect them, continue, and here you can see it is signing out. So again, it won't immediately let you sign out of your account because it has to turn off Find My Mac. So Find My Mac is important because you don't want to lose your device. So let's type in the password for my Apple account. Once you put in your password, click on continue, and here you can see it is signing out. Then it's also going to ask you your account password. So let's type in your account PIN also in this case. Let's click on OK. So that's how you have signed out of all the Apple accounts on your Apple device. Alternatively, again, if I go to Mail, there is nothing. We'll just make sure. If I go to Music, here you can see. So in accounts, we have a sign in option rather than log out or sign out. So here I can say that we have successfully signed out of all the Apple accounts, or any other account for that matter, on this device. So how do you reset it now? For that, you can just restart it, hit Command R, and you can go to Disk Utility and erase your hard drive, which I think it's an unnecessary step. It's a bit more complicated step than you need, because then you have to go and reinstall Mac OS as well, which is unnecessary. But you also want to make sure that you have taken backup through Time Machine. You can click on Time Machine, and on Time Machine you can have all the backup taken on your external hard drive. Alternatively, you can also go to the app. So with Time Machine, you can just back up all your data on an external hard drive, which you can see. So it will back up at regular intervals and you will be covered that way. So Time Machine will especially work for you if you want to again back up all your data onto another Apple device, which is very handy. But now let's get to resetting your Mac. And in general, you want to scroll down to find transfer or reset. Click on that. So here you have erase all content and settings. Click on that. Type in your user password. Click on unlock, and it will say erase all content settings. In this case, it's going to also remove all the Bluetooth devices, erase content and settings. On the bottom left, you can see that it is currently loading, and the Mac Mini is now rebooting. Now the Mac Mini is going to reboot, and here it says we have to activate our Mac. So we have to select our Wi-Fi network. So let's do that. Activation is necessary, otherwise you won't be able to use your Mac. Select your Wi-Fi and type in your password. Once you've typed in your password, click on join, and once it's joined, immediately it's going to start processing. So it's going to connect to the Apple servers and do its thing to activate again. Now you can see that your Mac is activated and it will restart in a few seconds, or you can just click on restart over here, and your Mac should start up like it did the first day. We have that famous Apple sound now, and there we go. It has started like it did the first day, and it is reset. So everything is erased. You don't need to worry about anything else. And yeah, if you want to see my setup video, I'll link it down in the description. But otherwise, if you have liked the video, do drop a like, share, and subscribe, because we really put a lot of effort into making these videos.